Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. Myself, Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last class, we discussed about detailed specifications. In this video, we'll discuss some more topics, rates, and complete estimation. As discussed in last video, we have to prepare rates for each item of each component of the structure for different structures. See, below the ground level, above the ground, first floor, ground floor, different rates, because you will have different rates for different floors. Rates of various items used in the construction and transport of the materials, because suppose aggregates, see, these are all not available near the construction of the projects, and various rates for various labor, that is skilled, unskilled, carpenters, mazdurs, waterman, different rates are there. Generally, these are local rates are provided by government organizations in SSR, SOR. Complete estimate. What is complete estimate? So what is complete estimate? See, this include cost of the material, cost of the land, cost of the labor, and direct, indirect costs also includes in the complete estimate. Some are the lump sum items: water supply, sanitary arrangements. These are all includes in the complete estimation. See, electrical installations like meters, motors, architecture's features, contingencies, and unforeseen items. Various expenditures which are not estimated or expected. For those, generally 1.5 to 2% will include in the estimation as lump sum cost. Even some estimates provided at the end of execution of the work. The actual cost should not exceed the lump sum amount provided as the main estimate. See, after construction, see, the estimated for this lump sum value is more, that you should not claim. These are all includes in the complete estimation. work charged estimation. Okay. What is the work charged estimation establishment? See, during the construction, during the construction, see, during the construction of the project, there are number of skilled labor, supervisors, engineers, sub-engineers, assistant works, watchmen, employed in temporary basis. They are not salary regular employees. In the construction, we required daily wages labor, temporary employees. The salaries for these are drawn from lump sum amount. Amount allotted towards the work charged establishment. That is establishment which is charged directly to the work. A lump sum amount, approximately 1.5% to 2% of the estimated cost provided towards the work charged establishment. See, this is one of the big question for you. See, what is the percentage of LS towards work charge establishment? Generally, 1.5% to 2% work charged establishment. Next, methods of taking out quantities. In detailed estimation, in next unit, we'll study in detail way. Generally, there are 2 to 3 methods available. We have two methods, long wall, short wall method, or central line method, or some estimations partially central line and partially long wall, short wall methods. These are detailed estimation in calculating of various items like excavation, PCC, clean concrete cement under the foundation, foundation concrete, brickwork in substructure or superstructure, RCC columns, beams, slabs. These all items, the quantities are calculated by generally these two methods. One is long wall, short wall method, another is central line methods. By calculating various quantities, we'll have rates. See, this is detailed estimation. Now, standard units. What are the standard units? Already we discussed international standard, units. Units of measurements. Units of measurements. The units of measurements are mainly categorized as per their nature, shape, size for the making of payments to the contractor. The principle of units measurement normally consists the following. This is important short bit question in your external and mid examination. What are the principle of units of measurements? See, for single units like doors, windows, expressed in number. Okay, and suppose this is window, number of windows. Say this is lines running meter. This is parapet wall like. So this is a typical elevation. This is brickwork detail in estimation. Okay. Works consist linear measurements, that is length like cornice, finishing, just now seen handrail, that is in running meter. Works consist of aerial surface, that is plastering, whitewash, with specifications measured in square meters. Works consist of cubical contents which involve volume of earthwork, cement, concrete, masonry or expressed in cubic meters. See, these principles are very important. I will explain in next video also. Thank you.